Imagine a world without banks, where you control your own money. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. It's digital money, secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Think of it like a digital gold rush, and you can be a part of it. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, like a public ledger that records every transaction. This makes it transparent and secure. No more middlemen, just you and the network. It's the future of finance, and it's happening now. But with thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, it can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. That's why choosing the right ones to start with is crucial. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Investing in cryptocurrency can be lucrative, but remember, it's also volatile. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stepping into the world of cryptocurrency can feel like entering a jungle. With thousands of options, each promising the moon, it's easy to get lost. But fear not, intrepid investor. Choosing the right crypto is like picking a sturdy vine to climb. It requires careful consideration. As a beginner, you want cryptocurrencies with a proven track record, strong communities, and real-world use cases. Think of it like investing in a company. You want one with a solid product, loyal customers, and a bright future. Avoid chasing after the latest hype or meme coins. These are often pump and dump schemes designed to part you from your hard-earned money. Stick to the fundamentals, like established projects with tangible value. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your future self will thank you for it. For first-time crypto buyers, certain cryptocurrencies stand out as reliable and promising. These are the blue-chip stocks of the crypto world, established, well-known, and with a history of growth. Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency. It's like digital gold, a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin has the largest market cap and is widely recognized. It's a must-have in any crypto portfolio. Ethereum, the king of smart contracts. Ethereum is a platform for decentralized applications, like NFTs and DeFi. It's constantly evolving and has a vibrant ecosystem. Think of it as the Internet of Money. Litecoin, often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offers faster transaction speeds and lower fees. It's a good choice for everyday transactions. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and determine what's best for your investment goals. But with these three cryptocurrencies, you'll have a solid foundation for your crypto journey. Ready to dive into the world of crypto? Buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum is easier than you might think. It's like ordering something online, but instead of a new gadget, you're investing in your financial future. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a digital marketplace for buying and selling crypto. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for one that's reputable, secure, and easy to use. Create an account and verify your identity. Just like opening a bank account, you'll need to provide some personal information. This is to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. Fund your account. You can link your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Some exchanges even allow you to buy crypto with cash at designated locations. Place your order. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, Bitcoin or Ethereum, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you're now a proud crypto owner. Keeping your crypto safe, wallets and security best practices. You've bought your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, congrats. Now let's talk about keeping it safe. You're responsible for securing your cryptocurrency. This is where cryptocurrency wallets come in. They store your private keys, like passwords for your crypto. Hardware wallets store your keys offline, more secure for long-term storage. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Store your crypto offline for maximum security. Follow these tips to protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind. Section 6. Avoiding crypto scams. Protecting yourself in the digital world. The crypto world, while exciting, is also a magnet for scammers. They're like digital pickpockets, always on the lookout for unsuspecting victims. But don't worry, with a little awareness and caution, you can easily outsmart them. Here are some common crypto scams to avoid. Phishing scams. Scammers impersonate legitimate companies or individuals to trick you into revealing your private keys or login credentials. Pump and dump schemes. Groups artificially inflate the price of a cryptocurrency, then sell off their holdings, leaving unsuspecting investors with worthless tokens. Fake ICOs. Scammers create fake initial coin offerings, or ICOs, to steal investors' money. Always do your research before investing in any ICO. Tips to protect yourself. Be skeptical of unsolicited offers or promises of guaranteed returns. Verify the legitimacy of websites and emails before providing any personal information. Don't fall for FOMO or fear of missing out. Take your time and make informed decisions. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and vigilant, you can navigate the crypto world safely and confidently. Section 7. The future of cryptocurrency, a world of possibilities. Cryptocurrency is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolutionary technology with the potential to transform various industries, from finance to supply chain management. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are instant and frictionless. Supply chains are transparent and traceable. Individuals have greater control over their data and financial assets. These are just a few glimpses into the future of cryptocurrency. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications and use cases to emerge. The crypto space is constantly evolving, with new projects and ideas emerging all the time. Staying informed and adapting to the changing landscape is crucial for success. Embrace the future, and who knows what exciting possibilities await. Section 8. Start your crypto adventure today. Knowledge is power. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards understanding the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember, investing in crypto is a journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and always do your research. The crypto market can be volatile, but it's also full of opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. This is just the beginning of your crypto adventure. There's a whole world of knowledge and resources available online. Explore reputable websites, join crypto communities, and never stop learning. The future of finance awaits.